it's Nikea here with a long-awaited tutorial, if not for you all, but for me. I finally got my Jackie Aina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh my god. But before we get into this video, and it's not gonna start if you haven't done this already, just go down below and click that subscribe button. And once you do that, that bell notification button is gonna pop up. Click that so you never miss an upload. Join the club. Yeah. And really, the video is not gonna start until you subscribe. Alright, if you reached this point in the video, that means you have subscribed already. And you get to see me use this beauty. Oh my god, I've been waiting to order this palette. So this palette came out in July on Jackie's birthday. And I've just been eyeing it ever since. But y'all know in that time I moved, I had a wedding, started a new job, I'm on a budget, you know, trying to save my coins. So I had to wait about 4 months to get this baby, but I have it nonetheless. And this palette is still the talk of the town, okay? Don't sleep on it. So this is the packaging. I ordered mine from Nordstrom and it was actually on sale. So this is what the box looks like. It has that iridescent feel, and Jackie also has like shoes and a purse and like a whole outfit that looks like this. So this is Jackie for real. And on the back it tells you that there are eyeshadows and pressed pigments. Box. I've already opened this. I opened it on Instagram. So I was so excited. So here you have it. The eyeshadow palette has that snake skin texture and it's iridescent. As you can see, the color shift. Has her logo on it, which I found out that Dennis created for her. How dope. Then you open it up. Okay, there's a mirror. Okay, good. The little plastic film to protect it. Comes with the brush that all Anastasia palettes come with. All right, do y'all see this? Oh, just the beautifulness. And I showed this to my mom and she was like, I like the way the colors are grouped together. They just look really good. And my mom, she's not like into makeup. She does wear it, yes, but she's not really into it. So for her to say that, I think it's really dope. Like Jackie placed these very well in good positions, blah, blah, blah. So I'm usually not a swatcher, but I'm sure y'all have seen plenty of swatches, but not on my skin tone. So I am going to swatch all the colors for you all. All right, so the first color I'm going to swatch is a shimmer color and it's called Soleil. All right, that's what it looks like on my finger. Here's one swipe. All right, then we have Supreme. Ooh, that feels so silky. So actually, there's this little paper that comes in the packet that tells you that Supreme Pinker and Big Wig should not be worn close to the eye. And I think that's because of what they're made of. Just a little note. There's Pinker on my finger. And we're going to swipe her. Oh, sorry, that was Supreme. Super soft. Then we have Pinker. Oh, it feels like velvet. Pinker on my finger. And it's like a pinky mauvey purple color. One swipe. Wow. Sis, that pigment though. That pigment though. All right, Big Wig. Bruh, I have never seen a matte purple that pigmented. That's a look right there in and of itself. And dollars, that's how you have to say it. It's dollars, okay? Dollars. So whenever Jackie talks about money, she says something costs $75 or something like that. So it's a nice shimmer, kind of like, almost like a glitter. And one swipe. But it doesn't feel chunky. It looks chunky. Then we have Credit. Oh my god, these mattes feel so freaking smooth. And this is ridiculous. Look at this pigment. That is so brown. What? All right, and the last one in the top line is Lituation. There it is on my finger. And one swipe. Wow, y'all, these are all one swipes. Like all of them, just except for Pinker, like the color got stuck up here, but all the other ones, that pigment is like really good. All right, let's go to the second row. First color is Zam. That is so pretty. And one swipe. One swipe. Then we have Wigglies, which I think is Jackie's favorite color. She talks about this all the time. That is a pretty shifty, like orange red color. Wow, that was a trash swipe. There's Wigglies. That is pretty. Then we have Shookington, nice purple. One swipe. Ooh, it's a little chunky. Yeah, it kind of chunked up there. So we'll see how that applies. And we have Trust Issues, which looks definitely white in the palette. What? I just put it on my finger and it's like yellow. See, that's why we have Trust Issues. And then swipe it. And you can see that shifty yellow green color. And we have Edges, which most of Jackie's codes for her affiliate codes and discounts is Edges. Ooh, that's a nice orange color. And then we have Sponsored, which is like a greenish brown. I think this is also a shift color too. Yep, I like that. Ooh, brown with like that green shift. And lastly, we have Ginger. Ooh, that's a nice yellowy orange terracotta color. All right, there's our swatches. Beautiful colors. They swatch so well. Zam is really chunky on my arm. It's like a chunky glitter. I think Zam is the chunkiest one. All right, we got those swatches done. They swatch so beautifully. Yeah, I did that for y'all. I usually never do that with the palette, but it still looks like it's in good condition. Just see that little finger swipe. All right, so I'm going to do my foundation, and I'll just go through this quickly. I'm actually following Jackie Aina's foundation routine, and I actually have a video up of that on my channel, so y'all can check that out. But I am putting on my eye cream. This one is from L'Oreal. It is the Eye Defense. It has caffeine in it. I love it. I also use CeraVe. So when Jackie does her routine, she does her foundation first, but I'm a brows first type of gal. Forgot my primer. Been using this Hard Candy Pore Defense Primer Serum. All right, I'm using the Black Radiance Cinnamon Foundation, or Black Radiance Foundation in the color Cinnamon. I went on my honeymoon and I recently got a little tan, and my color is still, you know, holding out. So I'm rocking with it. I feel like I'm a little more red because I put on a lighter foundation when I got back for the first time. I was like, ooh, honey, because I didn't wear foundation while we were out of the country. That Aruba sun was good to me. All right, now we're ready to highlight. And this is a full coverage concealer from Mary Kay, and it's amazing. All right, now we're gonna blend this concealer in. Bronze on my wet, dewy face, as Jackie would say, using my Black Radiance contour palette. We're finally done with the face. Now we're gonna get into these eyes. I already have concealer on my lid, so they're already prepped. So now we can get into this eye look. Got a little powder down here for a little bakeage. I don't know where this look is going to go. Like, there's so many colors that I like. So let's just start with the transition color. I'm stuck between doing like Supreme Wigglies and pink and pinker, and maybe doing something with Ginger, Credit, Sponsored, and Edges. I'm going to go in with Ginger first on this blending brush, and I am going to stamp that above my crease and then blend it out. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry I had to change my lighting because y'all couldn't see nothing. So swatching it, it's like orange yellow color, but putting it on, it's brown. And now I'm just gonna take a small fluffier blending brush. This one's from ABH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go into Edges and go right in the crease underneath Ginger. And there's kickback in the palette, but I'm not seeing a lot of fallout, which is good. These colors pick up really well on camera. Now I'm gonna go in with a more pointed blending brush, and I'm going to go into Credit. Here we go. This one's smaller, and we're gonna go like right from the outer V, just patting that in into the crease. Pat, then blend. I'm just taking a fluffier blending brush to blend out Credit, creating a halo eye. Then I'm gonna get Sponsored on my finger. I'm gonna put that in the center. Now I'm just going back with a flat shader. I'm gonna go back with a little Credit, blend around that. And then I think I want to put a little bit of Trust Issues on top, just like right in the center. So I have this small shadow brush. I'm gonna put Trust Issues right on top. Ooh, hoo, hoo. I like the way that did, y'all. I think I want to put some edges around there, around the edges. I'm gonna take this detail brush And I'm gonna go in with ginger on my lower lash line. All right, I'm gonna take this small detailed brush and I'm going to use Soleil for my inner corner highlight. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put a little bit of trust issues in there. I like how it's different in my tear duct and on my lid. Right, let's press this bake in. All right, I'm gonna line my lids with a brown pencil. Oh, I can't see. I'm putting it on my waterline too. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my lashes. This came out really nice. Ooh. I'm gonna use my everyday blush, which is from Black Radiant. It's called Toasted Almond. And I'm going to highlight using this Nikea Dark Chocolate and Cafe highlight. Set this all in place. Push that setting powder in. All right, let me go take my hair down and we'll come back and wrap this all up. All right, y'all, I'm back with my hair done. Gonna do a nice neutral lip. I don't know the name. Whoa, I don't know the name of this color, but this is a nice pinky nude for me. Yes, honey, it's pretty. But it's from Wet n Wild. And then y'all know I love my Laugh Out Loud lip glosses. This is Lila's. So again, that pinky nude. But that is it for today's look, y'all. So the Jackie Aina palette is on my eyes. If you can't tell, I'm a fan. I'm a stan for Jackie Aina. We are best friends in my mind, okay? And we're gonna be best friends in real life. That is the look for today, honey. Featuring none other than the Jackie Aina palette. Alright, beauties, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed my review, swatching, feedback of the Jackie Aina palette. I love it. I'm a stan. Love it. The only issue I had was with Zam, and that was with the swatch. It was chunky. I haven't tried it on my eyes yet. But other than that, it's beautiful. I love it. I love Jackie Aina, and I love almost anything that she does. So I'm a stan. But yes, I love this. Yes, I love this palette. It is worth the money. Definitely go out and get it because you can create so many looks with it, which I'm going to be doing. I think the next video I'm gonna do with this palette is the Jackie Aina challenge. Shout out to Jackie Aina. I'm so happy for her, so proud of her. She's a dope influencer. She's just not out here creating videos for any old reason. Like, she has a meaning for her platform, and she wants to bring representation for women of color, especially those who are of darker skin tones. And you know, she uses her platform to speak out and let brands know that, hey, this is not okay, that we can't even find our shade in your products, and to let brands know that they need to care about people like her, especially of her complexion, who are darker. And she gives a voice to Black women on YouTube, and I really look up to her, and I admire her. I've been watching her for years. So when she just blew up a few years ago, I was like, dang, Jackie, like, she should have been blown up. But she's really put in her time and put in her work, and she really knows what she's talking about. Again, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed it. But before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.